Hello, my name is Aisha Khan. I am from Pakistan, but now I live in London, UK. I am 32 years old. I am married, and my husband's name is Ahmed. We have 2 children, a son and a daughter. My son is 4 years old, and my daughter is 6 years old. I speak Urdu and a little English. I am learning English because I want to improve my communication skills. I also want to help my children with their schoolwork and find a good job in the future. In my free time, I enjoy cooking Pakistani food, watching movies, and going for walks in the park. I also like meeting new people and making friends. Comprehension questions. What is Aisha's full name? Where is she from? How old is she? What is her husband's name? How many children does she have? How old are her children? What languages does she speak? Why is she learning English? What does she like to do in her free time? Now, write about yourself.